To remove your mounting plate, you will need a small metal or plastic putty knife. First, slide the knife in between the mounting plate and the phone case. Gently press the blade into that adhesive, moving in a downward side-to-side motion to peel away the adhesive from the case. As you do this, gently lift the mounting plate away from the case to detach the adhesive. Be careful not to bend the mounting plate as it can deform and break. Once enough of the adhesive is removed, the mounting plate will become free. Peel away the old adhesive from the mounting plate. Be sure to remove all the tape and clean the area with a damp cloth. You can replace the adhesive by purchasing 3M Command medium-size hanging strips. Cut the small tabs from 2 strips and separate the strips. Removing the liner with the Command logo, attach this side into the mounting plate adhesive groove. Repeat with the second strip and press down for 30 seconds. Once this is completed, you can attach the mounting plate using the same procedure as the original instructions.